The first step to accurately scale a recipe is to convert cups and spoons to grams, and I like to use the baker's appendix. I think it's pretty accurate. The next step is to make a label, and the label should be very clear: weight, ingredient, recipe, and date. As an example, I'm making a black licorice brownie, and these are the ingredients I converted. The label needs to be legible, and the way that I do it is by using a fine point Sharpie that is not smushed and taking my time. And if I screw up, I just don't use that label. If you're interested in implementing a system like this at your work, you need to agree upon the names of ingredients. I only use unsalted butter, so I just write butter. I know that's the butter I want to use. I call all-purpose flour AP, but if I write that and other people don't know and I'm trying to work in a shared space, that's going to be problematic. So just remember, your goal is not to confuse people, is to create clarity. Once your labels are all accurate, you're going to put them on deli lids in no particular order, because now is the time to divide them up between things over 20 grams and things under 20 grams. These lids represent 3 different recipes, so I oftentimes have 3 lids that go for 3 different butters, 3 different eggs, 3 different sugars. And on the right are the extracts and spices and salt and things like that. I actually put them in order of how I like to scale. I like doing the messiest things first to get them out of the way. And this is a sorting system, and you can see I'm seeing a mistake. That one needs to go into the pile that's over 20 grams, and it's going to go with the other ingredients that are just like it. So now it's time to scale all of the ingredients, divide them up by recipe, and then as I work through each recipe, I can compare the ingredients and the labels to my recipe for accuracy. This is a system that allows me to prevent mistakes. It also allows me to estimate and to predict. So if you try it, see if it brings a little order to the chaos.